Alrighty guys, today we're going to be drawing a super cute mouse holding a piece of cheese. So let's go ahead and get started on our drawings. Make sure your paper is up and down the tall way like this and we'll get started. So we're going to start with the eyes. We're going to draw this upside down U shape and then draw a curved line underneath. So that's an upside down U shape. Upside down U shape. With this curved line underneath. Perfect. Then we're going to draw half of a circle on the inside. Half of a circle on the inside. Great. Once we're done with that, we're going to draw one more circle. One more circle. When we're done drawing our circles, we're going to go ahead and color in those half circles that we drew. We're going to color in those half circles that we drew. Then we're going to go ahead and add some eyebrows to our little mouse. Some eyebrows to our little mouse. Then our mouse needs a nose. It's going to be a teeny tiny little upside down triangle. A teeny tiny little triangle. And then we'll draw his itty bitty little mouth. Our mouse has an itty bitty little mouth and some itty bitty little teeth. Itty bitty teeny tiny little teeth. So small. But on the other hand, our mouse is going to have some giant ears. Some giant ears. So we're going to draw this curved line that goes all the way around so that we can draw his ears. Then we're going to draw the inside of his ears. 2 zigzags. And then a line that goes all the way around and stops. We're going to add a little bit of fur to the inside of the ear. So down, zigzag, zigzag, curve all the way back. Down. And there we have it. Let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So zigzag, zigzag, curve, and stop. Then down, zigzag, zigzag, and connect. We're going to add some fluff to the top of his head. These are a few of those zigzag marks from earlier. Then we'll go ahead and draw the side of his head. The side of his head, we're going to make it extra fluffy, so we'll draw some more of those zigzags. Go down to where his teeth are and stop. So zigzags, curve all the way down to where his teeth are and stop. We're going to do the same thing on this side, zigzag, zigzag, and then curve until those 2 lines are connecting. Curve until those 2 lines are connecting. Alright, now it's time to draw his arms. So we're going to draw this curved line down from his head, and we're going to curve and stop. So it goes down from his head, curves around and stops. Then we're going to draw a circle on the other side. Then we'll draw a circle on the other side. Then we just need to add 2 little lines to both of his paws for detail. And we're done with his little hands. Done with his little hands. Let's add some more fluff. Add some more fluff. Then we'll move on to his cheese. So we're gonna draw a slanted line that goes down just a bit, straight line, and then curves around to make this little triangle shape. That's gonna be our little block of cheese. Now I don't know what kind of cheese you wanna make your mouse holding, but I'm gonna do Swiss cheese. And that's the kind with lots of holes in it. So I'm gonna color in these little circles so that you can tell it's Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese. What's your favorite kind of cheese? Now let's go ahead and move on to the back. It's just a little line. Back is just a teeny tiny little line. And then we're gonna go around for his feet. Go around for his legs and his feet. So goes around, and then a circle for the foot. Curves around, and a circle for the foot. We'll add another small line for the rest of the leg, and then 2 little lines just like we did with the hands. Then we're gonna go ahead and draw that other foot. So that's gonna be another circle and a line, another circle and a line, and then 2 lines on the inside. 2 lines on the inside. Then there's just one more thing we need to do for our drawing to be complete, and that is draw his little tail. So we're gonna draw this curvy line. We're gonna draw this curvy line, and then one more curvy line, one more curvy line, and then we just need to add some lines inside of the tail so that it really looks like a mouse. Adding lots of lines on the inside so that our mouse really looks like a mouse. Alrighty, once you're done with that, we are completely done with our drawing, and all that's left to do is color. So I made mine a cute little gray mouse with some little pink paws and a pink tail, but you can color it however you'd like. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.